Do you want to get detailed notes after all your interviews? Well, with AI now, it's possible. I know AI again, but this time, trust me, because I'm going to show you a tool that will help you tremendously in how you structure, share, and evaluate your candidate data. This free tool not only generates custom interview notes, but also provides you with scorecards, email follow-ups, and also automatically update your ADS after all your interviews. Does this sound good to you? Then let's go. Alright, you might have guessed it, but the tool I'm going to talk to you about here is of course Nuda. If I mention this tool, it's for good reasons. Because it's definitely one of the best AI tools for recruiters to streamline their interviewing process. As I said, this tool provides you with customizable notes for your interviews, structured notes, detailed notes, but also provides you with evaluation forms, emails, and any kind of reports and documents that you can share and review to really choose the right candidate for your position. This tool also has a free plan, so you can easily test it and experiment with it and see how it works for you. So let's go. Let's see how you can use it to generate notes after all your interviews. To get started, you have to register first, of course. And to do that, you have to go to nuda.io and then you can register there. When you have registered, you'll get access to the Nuda interface when there's already a lot of things going on, a lot of features to record and take notes automatically of all your interviews. You have actually 3 or 4 options on Nuda. The first option is simply to connect your Google or Outlook calendar, and then Nuda will automatically join all your scheduled meeting and interviews, and you'll get then recording and a transcription from this. Another easy and straightforward way to do it is to download the Nuda desktop app. And this desktop app will automatically record all your meetings and interviews on your PC. If you have a phone interview, you can just download the Nuda mobile app, and then from the mobile app, you can record your interview. And if you already have your audio or video file of your interview, you can also easily upload it on the interface here. One last option also is if you have an in-person interview, you can also use the voice recorder built into the Nuda interface. When you have done any of this thing and you have finished your interview, you get access to the recording and the transcript here on the recording interface, and you just have to click there. As you can see here, I got a full transcript and full notes of one of my interview, and as you can see, you already have a lot of information. On this part, you have the full transcript of everything that has been said of the conversation, and here you have a report notes, structured notes based on any template that you're choosing, where you get all the information that are structured about your candidate. So here, for example, the general information, the professional experiences, the technical skills, soft skills, areas of improvement. So yeah, all the candidate details that are summarized here. You can of course change this template and customize it however you like it, and you can change it here, for example, but there are even more templates than this. You can go, for example, on the meeting template section and explore the template library, and you get even more choice here. For example, if I go to HR and recruitment, I get a lot of different templates: job offer, customer brief, candidate report that is anonymized, for the performance review, for the screening interview. So yeah, there's a lot of choice here. But AI report is not the only way to process and structure your candidate and interview data on Nuda. You can also go, for example, on clips, and you'll get clips that have been chosen, video clips of your interviews that summarize key moments that happen during the interviews. You also get access to the scorecard, which is a very useful feature for recruiters that just want to evaluate each of their interviews based on very specific criteria that you can define. The criteria here are already the technical expertise, the problem-solving ability, relevant experiences, leadership capability, a bit of everything. But you can adjust that with the prompt. So you go on change and edit the template. And then you can select all the criteria, change all the criteria. And then the AI will evaluate based on this. And of course, you can also change yourself the notes, the score that you're gonna give to each of these section, these criteria to evaluate your candidate. It's really an easy, a clear way to evaluate all your candidates with the same criteria consistently, and also so that it's more fair for each of your candidates. You also get an email that has been generated. So for example, here an email to the hiring team, but you can change it also to a follow-up email to the candidate. And then you just have to copy paste that and send it. You can even ask any kind of question to the Nuda chatbot that will be informed on your interviews. So you can ask it everything about your interviews. You can also generate documents and graphs from your interviews if you want, if you really want to highlight and summarize the insights that you got from your candidates. What's even more interesting with the chatbot of Nuda is that you can even summarize all the insights and information you got from one candidate for all the interviews that you got, or just also from all the candidates that you interviewed. And then what's cool is you can just compare all the candidates of these interviews for this job, and then you just ask about the specific interviews that you've done, that you connected, just select them, and then it will tell you. And that's also very cool. Otherwise, to share all your findings and information to your hiring team, you can also more simply just get a Word document or a PDF or a text file for your report. As you can see, it's quite simple and nice. So yeah, very easy to share. If you add your hiring team into the workspace of Nuda, they will also automatically get email recap of all your interviews. So you don't have to do anything, it will just do it automatically. What's crazy here is that what I've shown you here is not even all of one Nuda offers. There's even integrations that you can implement to any of your work tool. So of course, if you're a recruiter, you're gonna use your ATS, and there's a lot of ATS that are integrated into Nuda. For example, there's Bullhorn, but also other kind of ATS that you can use. And if you connect your Nuda account with Bullhorn, for example, you'll then get automatically the interview and candidate notes straight into Bullhorn. And so you don't have just to copy paste all of this information. You just get it straight into Bullhorn, and then just easy to review and update all the information you got on one candidate, and to make an easy comparison. And so with all of that, you can see that's already a lot of features to make it way easier to structure, share, review, evaluate your candidates based on all the interviews you made and the conversation. I strongly encourage you to just try Nuda. You'll get 100 minutes of free trial to just try and record, take notes, get the scorecard of all your interviews, and then you'll see how it works for you. But yeah, otherwise, as you can see, it's a very strong tool to generate notes from all your interviews and to customize them based on your own expectations. That way you're sure to have structured, consistent information to make the right recruitment decision. Just try it and see how it goes for you. And otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, of course, don't forget to like, to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, to leave a comment under the video. And otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.